Is your iPad's home button unresponsive, leaving you stuck on one screen? Whether it's a software glitch or system crash, this guide covers 5 fixes. Method 1, Basic checks and cleaning. Cases can block button movement. Wipe the home button edges with a dry cloth or 70% alcohol swab, avoid liquid seepage. Force restart, hold power and home until the Apple logo appears. Method 2, Enable virtual home button. Go to Accessibility, Touch, AssistiveTouch, toggle on. Customize the floating menu, tap Home to replace the physical button. Pro tip, long press the virtual button for Siri or screen lock. Method 3, System level fixes. Reset all settings, no data loss. iTunes or Finder restore, connect to a computer, click Restore. Warning, erases all data, backup first. Method 4, MagFone iOS System Recovery. If the home button fails due to system corruption, MagFone iOS System Recovery repairs iOS without data loss. It fixes 150+ issues, including unresponsive buttons. Choose Standard Repair, fixes software issues while keeping photos, apps, and settings intact without data loss. Click Start Repair. Wait 5 minutes, home button functionality restored. Prevention tips. 1. Use compressed air on the home button edges. 2. Swipe up iPadOS 13 Plus to reduce button wear. 3. Keep drinks away to prevent oxidation.